Hey, good day everyone. Join me as I install this ceiling fan here. Going ahead and pulling the cover off. I turned the breaker off too, so I didn't get shocked. And here's all the parts that come in the box with the ceiling fan. It's got the blades, the motor, the mounting fixtures. The first step is we're going to install that into the ceiling, and I just installed it using the screws already with the electrical box. Exposed the wires. Now going ahead and putting the blades on the fan. It's got that little holding bracket there, the circular holding bracket. And we're going ahead and threading the fasteners down. And we're going ahead and finishing that up. And it turns freely and nicely. We're going ahead and removing the pin now. And we're removing those screws, but going ahead and installing the fixture portion of this that holds it all up. And it just goes together like this. We're going to run the wires up through the center of it. There's also a longer piece if you wanted to get more distance between the fan and the roof. We're using the shorter piece of this because the ceiling's a little bit lower, but if you had a higher ceiling, you might want to use the longer option. And we're going ahead and putting the pin back in and tightening the screws down as well. Here's the box for it. This is the part we're going to wire in. I'm going to go ahead and do black to black, white to white, and then ground to ground, of course. The grounds here are either copper or green. And now I'm going ahead and connecting the box to the fan. This is what talks to the remote. It's the control box. Going ahead and tucking it up underneath the bracket there and putting the cap on it and tightening it down. Now we're just putting that last little center piece in there. It threads right in. And just putting the finishing touches on it, turn the breaker back on and firing it up. This thing created a lot of wind. We're very happy with it. It's super quiet too. You don't even hear it. The amount of air movement is great. It's got a nice remote that comes with it. You can adjust the speed, the time you want it on. Starts and stops really well. Good action on it. And doing a little second check on the fan blades there just to make sure everything's tight and firing it back up again. This went really well with the house. Really happy with this thing. Easy to install too. Thanks for watching, everybody.